How to install bet365 Sportsbook app. So just tap get to install it. And then just double click to install it. It's one of the most popular betting apps out there. It has 38,000 ratings, as you can see. Bet365, the world's favorite sports betting brand, brings you our most advanced sports betting app for the iPhone and iPad. Download the betting app today and join the world's largest online betting brand. Wager on a wide range of in-play and pre-match sports, including NFL and CAAF, Women's World Cup, MLB, and the Ryder Cup. Bet365 customers can enjoy an unrivaled sports betting experience, including live in-game betting, cash out, same-game parlay, bet boost and super boost, personalized display, live streaming, my alerts, match live, edit bet. It's like quite advanced app. If you like betting, there are just like so many apps out there. This is just one of the alternatives. So you can just go here and then just see. All right, so seems unfortunately that this app is not yet available like worldwide. I'm not sure like even if it's available everywhere in all states in United States, but just to bring your attention, yeah, you can just try it out.